The sound is unmistakable. A two-stroke engine, the whine of a chain accelerating, the bite of metal into wood. If you heard it with your eyes closed, you would picture a lumberjack, not a bird. But this sound isn't an echo or a recording. It's a biological performance produced by a creature weighing less than a kilogram, standing in the leaf litter of an Australian forest. This is the superb lyrebird, and the sound it makes forces a fundamental question. How is this possible? The answer begins not in the throat, but deeper, where the windpipe splits to the lungs. Here lies the syrinx, the vocal organ of a songbird. Unlike our larynx, which uses vocal cords, the syrinx has two independent sides, each with its own membranes and muscles. It is, in effect, two voice boxes. Imagine trying to hum one tune while simultaneously whistling a completely different one. For the lyrebird, this dual capability is the foundation of its acoustic palette. The complexity isn't just structural, it's neuromuscular. The lyrebird has an unusually high number of intrinsic syringeal muscles compared to other birds. Each side of its syrinx can be controlled with breathtaking precision, altering pitch, volume, and timbre independently. This allows it to reproduce not just melodies, but textures. The harsh, layered static of a chainsaw isn't a single note. It's a chaotic symphony of frequencies, and the lyrebird syrinx is the orchestra. A perfect instrument is useless without a musician. The lyrebird's virtuosity comes from a rare biological trait, vocal learning. Most animals are born with a fixed set of vocalizations. A dog's bark is innate, but vocal learners, like humans, parrots, and lyrebirds, must hear sounds to reproduce them. Their brains contain specialized neural circuits, song control nuclei, that are dedicated to listening, memorizing, and practicing. This is not instinct, it is education. Even among vocal learners, the lyrebird is an outlier. Many songbirds are closed-ended learners, meaning they have a critical window in youth to learn their song, after which their repertoire is set for life. The lyrebird, however, is an open-ended learner. It never stops acquiring new sounds. Its entire life is a field recording session, constantly adding to its sonic library. This is why its mimicry is not just of other birds, but of its entire, ever-changing acoustic environment. The result is a walking, breathing, acoustic history of a particular patch of forest. The lyrebird's song is a scrapbook. It perfectly replicates the calls of dozens of other bird species, from the cackle of a kookaburra to the whip-crack call of the eastern whipbird. It preserves the sounds of its neighbors. But what happens when the neighbors aren't birds? What happens when the soundscape includes us? The lyrebird's brain doesn't distinguish between natural and artificial. It only registers sound that is prominent and repeated. So the click and whir of a camera shutter, a sound frequently heard by birds in popular nature reserves, becomes a valid piece of data. A car alarm, designed to be unignorable, is an acoustic landmark. The chainsaw is not just noise. To the lyrebird, it's a powerful, recurring element of its world, worthy of memorization and reproduction. But why? Why copy a machine? The answer lies in the male lyrebird's primary objective: to impress a mate. The female lyrebird is the discerning critic. A male's performance is an advertisement of his quality. A large and complex repertoire of mimicked sounds is an honest signal of cognitive ability, memory, and longevity. It says, "I have been around a long time, I have explored a wide territory, and my brain is powerful enough to master all these sounds." Mimicking the most difficult sounds, like a chainsaw, is the ultimate display of vocal fitness. This entire suite of abilities, the specialized syrinx, the neural architecture for open-ended learning, the drive to mimic, makes the lyrebird an evolutionary pinnacle. Vocal learning itself is astonishingly rare, having evolved independently in only a few groups: songbirds, parrots, and hummingbirds. Among mammals, it's found in bats, cetaceans, seals, elephants, and us. Most of the animal kingdom is locked into its genetic vocal destiny. You will never hear a squirrel learn to whistle a new tune. The lyrebird holds up an acoustic mirror to its environment. It doesn't judge, it simply reflects. The presence of a chainsaw in its song is not a critique, it is a fact. It's a data point, indicating our acoustic footprint on the landscape. As we listen to a bird mimic a machine, we are forced to confront the reality that our world and the wild world are not separate. We are a sound, and the lyrebird has learned our tune.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.